My name is Ahmad Hanafi Dipyo Widodo. Today is my dream 3 years ago. Why? Climb mountains is my hobby, but Mount Sumbing is special. Besides the beautiful scenery, also his height 3,371 meters above sea level. This mount is the highest on the island of Java, Indonesia.
Walau harus pergi, walau harus berlari, kenanganmu terasa di hati.
At 5 a.m., the four of is departed from the city of Yogyakarta. The weather was quite sunny the day. We are sure all will go smoothly. Arrived at the climbing base camp at 8 a.m. We recheck all needs, logistics, equipment, first aid, and others. After already we immediately climbed from base camp at 9 a.m. We headed to the post one, takes approximately 1 hour. The route is still surrounded by community plantation. Yeah, and we arrived at post one in the form of a hot building for a stopper, and we take a break to gather energy to the next post. Oh yes, the total number of posts is 4. Post 2 also stops under many large shady pine trees. Well, post 3 and post 4 are places for the establishment of tent. Our plan reached the top straight away and set up a tent there to spend the night and enjoy the peak of Mount Sumbing shortly after waking up the next day. After 9 hours of climb, break with more than 20 times, we have reached the top.
Now it's time for me, try to moving on, cause if you think I'm
Strong wind, dark, thick cold fog. We immediately set up the tent. After the tent, we immediately rise, cook for dinner, and make coffee to keep it warm. And we sleep.
tahu harus bagaimana untuk raba mimpi atau nyata dan bedakan penasaran suasana dalam rangka sayang atau cinta yang sebenarnya. Dan bukanlah aku dari utama.
Yeah, we have reached the highest point of Mount Sumbing. Even though it is cold and foggy, we really enjoy it and proud to have completed this mission. On status we immediately went downstairs to fold the tent, tidy up our luggage, and don't forget to bring the trash home. We grateful as arrive here and goodbye Mount Sumbing. See you if I still have a chance, and thank you.